Now, 2 minutes twice a day can feel like an eternity for young kiddies, so it's no wonder that teeth brushing can turn into a bit of a rush job.
New research shows 50% of Aussie kids are not looking after their teeth and gums properly, and that can have lasting consequences. Sunrise consumer correspondent Sean White has been investigating. Sean,
well, you're a panel of expert flossers, from what I know.
I love flossing.
I love
Should
flossing.
get advice from you. Morning, guys. Only 1 in 2 Aussie kids are brushing twice a day, and 1 in 3 are actually tricking their parents about their brushing habits. So we've gone straight to the horse's mouth, or dentist in this case, to find out how to get kids brushing and flossing as often as they should.
There are smiles all round, but these grins don't come without a little hard work.
To like go in the inside, and it's hard to keep them closed. I put it in my toothbrush and I clean it really hard all in the mouth. And it will be so clean, and I brush my teeth with a clean teeth.
According to new research from Life Education, 71% of Australian parents struggle getting their children to brush their teeth. And it's even harder during holidays when kids fall out of routine.
It's just brushing a stick on your teeth. It's very minty and it takes a long time.
The survey found 34% of children will use tricks to get out of brushing their teeth.
Kids can be so sneaky. I mean, I've heard stories about kids running the tap just for long enough mum and dad to think that it's been running on the toothbrush. They'll put a little bit of toothpaste just in their mouth so that it smells minty, and they'll go to sleep. They're smart. They're very smart about it.
The most common excuse at night: I'm too tired to brush my teeth. The research also found more than half of parents resorted to offering special rewards for children who brush their teeth, including treats, a new toy, and even money. But one dentist says establishing healthy childhood habits will extend to healthy habits in adulthood.
So you only get one set of adult teeth for your entire adult life. They need to last for 80 years.
And with regular brushing and flossing, teeth will last a lifetime. But good oral care isn't just about pretty pearly whites.
It can also have other effects on other systems in their body. So diabetes, for example, heart disease, they are both increased in prevalence by not having good dental health.
So how can mums and dads encourage kids to brush their teeth?
There are 3 main things that I want parents to be focusing on. Number 1, be there and be positive. Number 2, invest in the best dental technology that you can. And number 3, form a good relationship with your dental professional.
Well, Dr. Rick says brushing your teeth with your kids can have a huge positive impact. Games and songs help too, and for the tech savvy, the Philips Sonicare for Kids even comes with an interactive app.
Kids, they generally don't have the hand skills to have a really good brush every time. Teeth need bristles of the toothbrush on them twice a day to make sure they're doing a thorough job for long enough.
Do all this and you'll get plenty of high fives from your dentist.
You're really interesting. I mean, they can